Hi everyone! Red, blue, green, purple, and yellow. Which one do you like? Pink or purple? Well, I like to use pink. This is a pentagon. A pentagon. I want to color pentagon with pink. This is pink. Awesome! Now you have a pink pentagon. A pink pentagon. Next one is heart. This is heart. A heart for you guys. I want to color heart with red. This is red. Wow, beautiful! Hey guys, if you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I want to color this one with yellow. This is half of a circle. This one is circle. A circle with blue. I love blue. It remembers me ocean.